Lord, do you remember the day when our son was born? Do you remember the happiness we felt when we first heard his frail cry? Can you remember how we prayed so hard, asking you to make our child a normal one? You, our Lord, granted this, and we thank you with all our hearts. With your guidance, we watched him grow, and in the passing of each day, we noticed the changes in him with great bewilderment, how this miracle of life transpired. And in our prayers, we always say to you, Lord, deliver our child and his family from any harm. Today is his birthday. Another year has passed so swiftly, yet still we haven't forgotten those words we've said to you. Lord, thank you for this, our son. May he grow old in your graces and be a God-fearing man.